Clap.
Denim is crucial. I'm gonna open my shirt up a little bit.
No, you have to do that. You have to have double blue.
Double blue?
Double blue.
A little Canadian tuxedo.
Yeah.
I remember meeting Greg at the North Door, and it was a video that you made. And that was a good time, and I was really, it was really nice to have someone come up to me and say, man, I want to learn your music, and I think I'd like to play with you a little bit, that's cool. And so we did a little email exchange, and he took some records too that I had on the side of the stage. And he kind of just started learning on his own, I think.
Yeah.
But then we got together.
The summer after that.
It was that was the fall. This was summer of 2016, and I had basically just been demoing all this music. I didn't plan on this to become a record, but then he came over. We recorded drums, and it just started sounding really cool. And it's such a relaxed vibe because we were just doing it at the home studio, and then I re-recorded the demo parts to whatever he was playing to make it tighter, to make it more vibey, and like I really started approaching it as a record once Craig laid the drums down. So that was a really fun approach to it, because in my head this was just gonna these weren't gonna be anything really, and it's turned into a two-part record, Gringo Novelas 1 and 2. I guess this is appropriate. This is the one that I'm holding. This is the first one I ever owned that I bought for myself with my own money. No one really knows how old it is. It looks like this because it was in a fire, so I don't know if everybody thinks it's like really vintage, but it's not. It was in a fire, it lived, it scarred the wood. It's badass. Alright for you?
Kids are alright.
Count us in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Really fun experience. It's just been, I've never made a record like this. You know, a lot of people make records at home today because it's doable and whatnot. But I felt like that just kind of fell in my lap too, doing it that way. I didn't plan on that, so I've kind of gotten more into doing it that way now. You know, like I've got more gear and got more ideas of how to do it and how to do it better, and it's kind of the name of the game. And then it's been a treat having Greg just on all the live shows and anything, because he started this music with me too.